are at the cottage. We actually got here yesterday, but no, we got here on Friday, and it is Sunday. We got here Friday night. It was kind of a journey to get here. We got home from work on Friday night, and I'm gonna zip this up. Oops. We got home from work on Friday night. There was blood all over the condo from Walter, and upon further inspection we realized that he had somehow knocked his wound and that he had developed a hot spot all over his face and was bleeding. We took him to the vet. We thought, okay, well, we're not gonna make it to the cottage tonight, but anyways, we figured things out. We went to the vet, then we came to the cottage. Well, then the next day we woke up and it was like so much worse. And so yesterday was pretty much consumed with that, and with a hot spot, it's like all goopy. So it was gross. We're going to town and have breakfast, do some shopping. There we go. And then hopefully come back and relax, because unfortunately tomorrow we have to go home. So I'm rambling, but I'm just glad that I could pick up the camera today. Are you feeling okay? You can see, oh, poor guy. He doesn't like being touched there. Okay, let's go inside. Having fun? Mm-hmm. Ready for coffee? Oh, it's such a nice day. This is like the perfect day, eh, Amelie? Yeah. It's amazing. I always say that when I have perfect days when I'm at the cottage. It's a cute place. This used to be Windmills, where we went on Amelie's shower or bachelorette. Well, we've been here before. They totally redid the inside. We didn't even recognize it. It's really, really cute in here. There, the wood. We are now at the mall. That's what you do when you go to the cottage. You go to the mall. I'm gonna look for some shoes. What are you looking for? Nothing. Yeah, we're gonna go shopping, and then we will head back to the cottage because it's such a nice day, and we should get like the kayak and the paddle board in the water.
And we should probably help mom and dad.
Oh, and help. Okay, new development in the story. I've got the camera on. Walter is not doing so great. He's got, the hot spot is like really developing, unfortunately. And so we are running to PetSmart, oops, to pick up a harness and maybe some like meds that they have to get. And then we're gonna go to cottage. Hopefully it'll dry out. Such a headache. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry.
Just guess we can't put that cone on.
Yeah. It is a beautiful day. Wow, it looks so nice. It was supposed to be like a rainy day today. We are just getting ready to leave for dinner. It is so peaceful. We haven't done like too much stuff while we've been here. It's just been getting it ready for the summer season. I mean, I haven't really been helping. We went to the other cottage a little bit ago just to like say hi and grab some stuff, and now we're all going out for dinner. Andrew's gonna stay behind because Walter just can't be left alone. His whole neck, we can't put anything on there, the cone, so he's got to be watched so he doesn't itch it or scratch his foot. That's been a really big damper on this trip. I thought we'd have a little bit more like free time, so, but Walter needs to be watched. It's the joys of owning a dog. Anyways, back in the car we go. Morning. This is real life. I fell asleep, totally clothed, last night, like in my regular clothes, not my pajamas. I totally fell asleep just trying to calm Walter down. He was a little bit out of sorts, and so we lied in the bed, and that usually like kind of brings him down. And so he lied down, and I just turned on a YouTube video, and next thing I know, it's like 4 in the morning, and I'm like so thirsty, and I'm so uncomfortable because I've got these like tight leggings on, and but I didn't want to move because I didn't want to wake Walter. So we just went out for a little walk. I need to get ready because today, sadly, we're packing up and leaving, but last night was a huge storm, so the water is like all these white caps out there. You can see. I'm really bummed we didn't get a chance to take out the kayak or anything. Thought I could have got some cool footage, but it's okay. Summer is coming. Anyways, I gotta help clean up. Andrew and I are probably gonna try and get out of here pretty quickly so that we can get home and like get Walter settled, because it's still kind of gross. Yeah. But it's a beautiful day, other than the water. Beautiful day. This is my parents' dog. Hi. Hi, Portia. Hi, buddy. Oh. Hi, Wally. Hi, Portia. Are you guys best friends? Are you guys best friends? No, you are. Perfect way to drink coffee. I need to get coffee before I fix my hair. Delicious. Taking in the view. Drinking my coffee. Good job, Emily.
There's still water in here? On this side?
Good work, everybody. Good work. I'm the project manager. Yes? My dad said I'm not getting off it that easy. Okay, I'll grab stuff. We're on the road now. Poor Walter is like, he's like flopped over. He's having a really hard time with his chest. I left my camera and my purse at the cottage, but thankfully my mom is driving home tonight, so I'll grab it from her later, but that's just so frustrating. We're gonna grab a coffee and some lunch and head out because the clouds, it looks pretty like, I don't know if you can see, looks like it's gonna be kind of a rainy drive home. It's also very windy right now as well. So we thought we'd get out ASAP. It's 11:30 now, so it'll probably take like 2-ish hours, 2.5 hours to get home. And then we can unpack, laundry, all of that stuff. What do you want to do tonight? Relax? We'll see. We have to stay home because of Walter, but I guess relax. I guess we don't have a choice. We'll see. Have fun.
Where's my wallet?
It was in the bedroom.
Yeah, but we got food.
Oh, we got food. Oh, phew. We've stopped at the Big Apple for a little bit. Andrew's never gone in. I obviously can't go in. Hi, buddy. It's really busy. I am so